What is up, y'all? So today we're gonna be cooking noodles. We're gonna be having the tteokbokki, bulldog noodles, tteokbokki. I don't know which one I should make, the black one or the pink one. It's carbonara. This is carbonara. I don't know which one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So yeah, gotta cook an egg. So let me pause this real quick. Noodles. Just need to heat up. Okay. So pause this video real quick, and so yeah, we're gonna get into it. Alright, I'm gonna pause it right now. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to cook
on the table too.
This. Yeah, I will clean it up. So I'm about to. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, I am. So what's that? Alright. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna cook both in this steamy hot water. Okay. I'm gonna cook it in there. Honestly, no. I don't know. Yeah. So I need to wait for that to boil. Cook that first. Because, yeah. We need the egg out, and y'all are gonna watch. I'm about to pause it right now. Oh. And look at that egg. Look at that egg, my boy. Oh, wait. Look at that egg, my boy. Boom, egg. Look how good that smells. Look at that. Let me try my skin real quick. Jesus Christ. Just zoom in.
Why are you cooking again like that?
Like what?
You don't need to have eggs.
I'm not gonna cook the egg because I can't. I don't know why. So she's acting like I committed a federal war crime. But stick that in the fridge, my boy. That's why I keep calling y'all my boy, because people. Alright. Like for this one. Comment for this one. But probably cook this one. This one. The black one. Yep, I'm cooking the black one. See y'all later. Hold up. Y'all back? I'm back. So let me just cut this open. God, what's that wrap made out of? Dude. The water's boiling, so I need to hurry up on this. Where's my spoon? Fork. Everything dumped out so fast. Oh, here it is. This tape. Boom. Keep cutting. And, chicken. Tteokbokki. Okay. Put it in. Grab this. Put it under the water. This water's like hot. Yeah. 2 minutes. Minutes 30 seconds right there. I'm gonna put my noodles in the thing now. So okay, it's still recording. Scissors. Two minutes 30 seconds on that. Grab this. Come over here, drop your ramen in the thing, go down here. Let's see, where did he put it? Grab your thing. I use this because it's more simpler and easier to cook it with. And so basically do push down ramen, that way it gets that side, and then I'm gonna flip it because I sometimes do that, and don't be as reckless as I did. So I didn't get hurt at all. Kind of hurt it, but whatever. Then you take your seasoning packet out of this. Slide seasoning. Eat if you want. Eat this. Oh, here's. Don't know why I did that all up in your face. I don't know. I just got bored. Oh, lights on. It's better. Oh, wait, get a bowl. What's me?
Even if you have moderate to severe eczema, you can feel the rhythm. Feel the flow. And Dupixent helps you feel the heal. It helps calm a key source of inflammation under the skin that can cause eczema. Some adults saw fast itch relief after the first dose, and long-lasting clear skin at 1 year. Many even saw 90% clear skin. So
Put the noodles in here securely. Turn it off. Do that. Okay. Please attempt to get like some type of water in there if y'all can, but I'm not because I'm too lazy to. This over here. Take this over here. Wash his hand. Have to wash it and rinse it. Okay. Oh. The tteokbokki is done, so we're gonna get it out. Tteokbokki. Tteokbokki. Oh, it's definitely hot. Oh. Okay. Grab your mini spoon type thing. Yeah. Unwrap it. I'm looking kind of weak. So then, come on. Feel soft. Feel it. Oh yeah. Use this tteokbokki. It's soft. Okay. Now you take it to your sink and drain all the water.